Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. In June 2025, physicist Gunther Kletetschka from the University of Alaska Fairbanks proposed a radical idea. According to his idea, time isn't just one flow. It has three orthogonal axes like the XYZ of space. Space is defined by three orthogonal axes. X, Y, and Z. Similarly, time has three orthogonal axes. And each axis represents something different. One represents the quantum world. One axis represents the quantum world. One represents the biological and human scale. And one represents the cosmic evolution. Okay. So for cosmic evolution, one axis is there. For biological and human scale, other axis is there. Say second axis is there. And for the quantum world, third axis is there. So he talked about three axes. That means what? That means whatever we know so far about space and time is wrong according to this theory. Whatever idea we have in our brain about space and time is wrong. And also, according to his theory, time is fundamental but space is not fundamental. Yes, according to this new theory, time is fundamental but space is not fundamental, but space is emergent. Like a pattern rising from deeper temporal flows. In Einstein's famous spacetime theory, means I'm talking about general theory of relativity. In that case, what you have seen? Merging of space-time. You have seen that thing in that theory. That means that this new theory reverses Einstein's famous space-time theory. So according to this theory, time comes first and space is emergent. According to this new theory. And this theory calculates exact masses of electrons, muons, and quarks without using any arbitrary, without using any arbitrary constants, means without the need for arbitrary constants. This new theory calculates exact masses of electrons, muons, and quarks. So to some extent we can say that this theory is successful. And this theory also says that particles are not embedded in space, but they exist actually. That means particles exist actually at specific points of three-dimensional time. Particles are not embedded in space according to this theory. Also, this theory is not just philosophical. This theory also predicts three more things, like if you CERN, Large Hadron Collider is there. So according to this theory, means this theory predicts high energy experiments, means new particles we can see in case of high energy experiments like those at CERN. Means new particles might appear in high energy experiments like those at CERN. Many other particle accelerators are there. Okay, that thing is known to you. Again, this theory predicts that if we closely observe the gravitational waves, then maybe we'll be able to see the effect of three-dimensional time. Means if you study patterns of gravitational waves properly, in that case. So this is what? This is prediction of the theory. Means in future this might happen. Again, our observations about dark energy may reveal the existence of three-dimensional time. We know very little about dark energy. We have the concept in our mind about dark energy, but actually or practically we don't know anything about dark energy. So according to this new theory, if we closely observe dark energy, maybe in future we will be able to see the effects of this three-dimensional time. That means these observations, whether particle accelerators like a Large Hadron Collider or gravitational waves or dark energy, all these things may reveal one day the existence of three-dimensional time, directly or indirectly. Again, that means that this theory actually reshapes our knowledge about the causality, free will, and also this theory reshapes the concept of the reality itself or the concept of the universe itself. Whatever concept we have about space and time in our mind, that thing actually represents a reality. Okay, that thing represents a reality, but this new idea, you can see that new idea, there is a drastic change about the concept of space and time. So according to this new idea, concept of space and time are totally different. One more time I want to repeat the same thing, that according to this theory, this new theory, time is fundamental but space is not fundamental. Okay, anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.